Hey everybody, let's start over. Hey everybody, Nora Demers here. Just wanted to say welcome to week 2 for Scientific Process. I hope you had a nice Martin Luther King Day. That will be our only break this semester, so I hope you made the best of it. I wanted to point out a couple things that I added to the modules on our Scientific Process course. So if you go into the modules, we have proposal information week 1. What I just added were these modules here. So I added an abstract book of undergraduate research previously conducted at FGCU. So each of these is a big abstract book. And the way I'd suggest working with them is to just download it to your computer and open it up. I can't get in because it's the whole screen is too big. Darn! And I thought I was doing so well. Hold on a sec. So if you download it to your computer and then use Control F to look for particular terms, or just scroll around, scroll down. The purpose for these presentations is they give the title of the paper, who the different authors were. So this is one from one of my students last year who's working with Dr. Dan Paul. Their names, the faculty mentors, where they got funding from, and then a brief abstract of what they did. So this will give you some idea about what sort of research is actually being done by biology and natural science students of all flavors, marine science and environmental studies as well, here at FGCU. So I thought that this could be helpful for you to, if you want to select to write a proposal on research that's actually able to be accomplished here at FGCU, then that's a really good way to go. Okay, the next module I added in were actually some of the proposals from the prior classes. Now, as I said in this page, the students gave permission to share them. They were actually very proud to have their name on them as well. There are a variety of levels from really awesome to pretty good to so-so. So we'll look at that part of it together as we do extensive peer review on all of these different parts. So if you look at those again, you can see what the title's about a little bit. So anyway, those were just the 2 things that I wanted to share with you to get us started this week. I will be posting my information about like what Dr. Rhodes did. It's taken a little bit longer because I've been around a little bit longer. But anyway, this went on longer than I expected. Thanks so much. See you around.